Hey everyone, it's Justin. Thank you for watching and welcome to my house. That's Justin's house. In this video, I got another new Tokyo feature for you. It has to do with one of my favorite things, dashboards and workspaces. That's right, hardware asset management, software asset management. Now there's an asset management executive dashboard that's available as of Tokyo. You can see it right here, the feature right above my head. Gain actionable insights into IT asset management KPIs by using this dashboard for things such as total spend, potential savings, and expiring contracts. Now, this dashboard, this workspace, is available whether you have hardware asset management or software asset management, as long as you're on Tokyo. So if you're like me, you're probably thinking dashboards is probably where I need to go to look, right? So you typically go to dashboards and you can see the stuff that you opened recently. I hadn't opened this recently, so I went to all and I searched for asset and I didn't find it. I didn't find an asset executive dashboard. I got my assets, hardware normalization, all kinds of things, but no executive dashboard. In fact, if I search for executive, I do have some executive dashboards, which is what you'd expect. Customer service, legal, IT. Again, this is a demo instance with lots of stuff installed on it, but it's not there. It's actually in its own workspace. So you can get to it. And now I'm actually thinking, if hardware asset, not hardware asset, asset executive. So under Asset Management, we've got Asset Executive Workspace, but let me just check and see if it's here in the Workspace menu as well. It is. Okay, so it's both places. Workspace menu, Asset Executive Workspace, and the All menu under Asset Management. Let's actually get rid of this filter and just search for Asset Management. And okay, so that's the only thing under the Asset Management menu is Asset Executive Workspace, and then in the workspaces you can click on it there. So what this does, this new dashboard, is it opens up in a workspace, but all that's there is a landing page, which is the Asset Executive Dashboard, which you can see there with that text that I just drew over it. So there it says dashboard, and here it says dashboard, but notice it lives in a workspace. So don't be confused by that. It didn't take me long to figure it out, but let's take a look at what's there. First up, we've got total spend. So we see a nice performance analytics widget showing how that's trending, and then some breakdowns here by software, by hardware, by cloud spend. Same thing over here for savings or actual savings. So we've got nothing, or actually it's been static, hasn't changed. And then we've got it broken down into software and cloud, actual savings. And then just above my head, I'll move my head out of the way, we've got the potential savings. So this is money left on the table. We have that trend line there. It's going down by about $947 in our demo environment, and it's broken up by software and cloud. So that's that. Let's get my head back in the other place, and we can see we've got a nice graphic here around asset fulfillment time. So these are the number of requests in both hardware and software. So again, back to like I said at the top of the video, depending on which one of these you have installed, you may or may not see one or the other. Or if you have both installed, you may see both. Well, this is interesting. Completed software success goals. I actually want to click on this one. Okay, so that's going to open up in a new tab. So it's not just a dashboard. We got some tab functionality. And here's some SAM success goals that we're tracking on our demo environment for reduction of maintenance costs, consolidated overlapping network monitoring tools. All right, so someone's like setting some goals so we can work towards it and actually achieve the savings. So we're tracking the actual savings on these particular goals. So that's neat. I actually didn't know about that. Software success goals. Moving down, we have software success savings just above my head, 1.13 million. Thank you, demo environment. Missing hardware assets, software true-up costs, expiring contracts in the next 90 days, assets pulled from pool versus net new purchase, and end-of-life models in the next 90 days. So real high level, meant to show an executive what they need to see. And let's just click on one of these for fun. Let's open this total spend. Oh, this is nice. So it's got it broken down by software, hardware, and cloud. Interesting that we've got a lowercase hardware and an uppercase software and cloud. But I'm not being nitpicky with this, whatever it is, what it is. The executive can go through here and look at the license metric results and over licensed amount, true up costs. So at least it's not just a pretty dashboard. They can dive into the details of the data that's making up that dashboard and then drill into things. So you can probably even open a hardware asset. Let's just see how this works. Please wait. Now, of course, this will be permissions based too. So if your executive needs to have access to the right asset management rules or hardware asset and software asset management rules to click on some of these things, I don't know that for a fact, but it's probably true. But at least at the executive level, they're just be able to see these high level metrics or KPIs as that feature listed there on this new workspace with this new dashboard. That's it. I just wanted to show you another new Tokyo feature that I hadn't covered it yet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, please subscribe, or share it with somebody who you think might have an executive wondering what the heck is going on with assets in our organization. And until next time, don't forget to always be learning.